Welcome to the world of cacti, those prickly wonders of the plant kingdom.
Did you know cacti can store up to 200 gallons of water within their thick stems? Essential for survival in arid environments.
There are over 2,000 species of cacti, each exhibiting unique shapes and sizes.
Some cacti have specialized areoles, which are small, cushion-like structures from which spines grow.
While cacti are known for their spines, not all cacti have them. Some are spineless, like the famous Christmas cactus.
Most cacti feature beautiful flowers that bloom in a wide range of colors, attracting pollinators.
Cacti are predominantly found in North and South America but have been introduced to other parts of the world.
The cactus spine is actually a modified leaf, which helps reduce water loss in dry climates.
Cacti can live for decades, with some specimens reaching more than 200 years.
These plants are primarily identified by their lack of leaves, a trait that minimizes water loss.
Cacti perform a unique type of photosynthesis called CAM, crassulation acid metabolism, which allows them to close their stomata during the day.
The saguaro cactus, native to the Sonoran Desert, is the largest cactus in the United States.
Some cacti, like the Peruvian apple cactus, bear edible fruit with a sweet, tangy flavor.
Cacti are adapted to survive fire thanks to their thick protective outer layer.
Cactus water has become a trendy hydration drink, often hailed for its supposed health benefits. Cacti have inspired countless artists with their striking appearance and symbolism.
In certain Native American cultures, the peyote cactus has been used for spiritual rituals due to its psychoactive properties.
Despite their tough exterior, many cacti are surprisingly delicate and can be damaged by frost.
The prickly pear cactus is versatile, with its pads, fruit, and seeds all being edible. Cacti possess shallow but extensive root systems to quickly absorb moisture during rare rainfalls. Some desert animals rely on cacti as a vital water source. Certain species of cacti develop thick, waxy coatings to further conserve water.
Cactus gardens have become popular in landscaping due to their low maintenance requirements.
Some cactus spines are coated with barbs, making them even more effective deterrents against herbivores.
Cacti contribute greatly to their ecosystems, providing food and habitat for numerous creatures.
Grafting cacti onto other cactus species is a common horticultural practice to create unusual hybrids.
Though most cacti favor dry climates, some species thrive in more humid environments.
The iconic image of a cowboy with a cactus is due to the plant's prevalence in the American West.
Cacti can suffer from overwatering, making proper care a delicate balance.
Some traditional medicine practices use cacti for their purported health benefits, such as anti-inflammatory properties.
The contorted shapes of cacti have evolved to reduce sun exposure and water loss. Cacti have been a subject of fascination for botanists studying plant resilience and adaptation.
In video games and cartoons, cacti are often depicted as dangerous obstacles, reflecting their spiky nature. Though usually found in deserts, some cactus species can survive in mountainous areas at high altitudes.
Cacti flowers can sometimes bloom just once for a single day, adding to their mystique. The Opuntia cactus, also known as nopales, is commonly used in Mexican cuisine.
Cacti can sometimes be confused with succulents, though not all succulents are cacti.
The flowering of a cactus is often seen as an event due to its rarity and beauty. Due to their tough adaptations, cacti are considered symbols of endurance and persistence.
The diversity of cacti in size, shape, and form makes them fascinating subjects for collectors around the world.
Now you've been armed with 40 facts about cacti, embracing their resilience in nature's harshest environments.